Everyone has a story. Some are grand adventures that took you across the globe, while others are quiet, beautiful reflections on a life well lived. Perhaps your story is a collection of hard-won wisdom for your grandchildren, a memoir of a time gone by, or a long-held creative dream you finally put to paper. At Author Inn, we believe that these stories are more than just memories. They are legacies, and a legacy deserves to be shared, preserved, and celebrated. The problem: why publishing feels hard. We understand that for many, the idea of publishing can feel like a daunting technical puzzle. You've spent a lifetime building your world. You shouldn't have to spend your golden years navigating the complex algorithms, confusing jargon, or cold, automated systems of the modern publishing industry. You've done the hard part. You've lived the life, and you've written the words. Why should the final step feel like a chore? The solution? The Author Inn experience. That is exactly why we created Author Inn. We have simplified the journey from a handwritten manuscript to a professional published book. Our mission is to handle the heavy lifting, so you can focus entirely on what matters most, the story itself. Whether you have boxes of handwritten pages, a finished digital file, or just a collection of ideas, we provide a white-glove, tailored experience. We offer professional transcription, gentle editing that preserves your unique voice, custom book design, and complete distribution, so your book can sit proudly on a shelf or reach readers around the world. Conclusion: your story preserved. At Author Inn, we value patience, clarity, and above all, the importance of your voice. You won't be dealing with robots or faceless portals. You'll be working with a dedicated partner who understands the gravity of your story and respects the time it took to craft it. Your experiences and your wisdom are pieces of history that deserve to be cherished, not hidden away in a drawer. Let us help you turn that manuscript into a tangible heirloom, a book you can hold, share, and be proud of for generations to come. Your story is waiting to be read. Let's publish it together. Visit us at authorinn.co.uk to start your journey today. Author Inn, your legacy published.